Hi, this is how I clean the oil out of my brake drum. I take a torch and I go around the inside of the brake drum and burn off all that oil that's in there. Be careful when you're using a torch not to keep it near leaves and stuff that might ignite a fire. Okay. I'm going to take this thing back.
Okay. See you later.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
Okay, this thing is not too hot. I'm going to take this here and I'm going to mount it to the part that I installed the new brake pads. This is the new brake pads right here after I cleaned up all the oil and stuff. This is the new caliber right there. This is the old one I took off, the one that caused all the problem. So now I'm getting ready to put the new drum back on not the new drum. Put the old one back on. Something like that. Now easy to hold the camera and put the drums on. Okay, there you go. I might have to adjust the lever a little bit, but yeah, it's still got a little bit of play in it. So that means I'm going to have to take this thing back off and go in there and adjust that it might self-adjust. I might not have to take it off. I'll pump the brake a couple of times and it'll adjust it. So that way you won't have this play in it. Yep, but other than that, this job on this side is done. And after having a couple of beers and a good rest from laying on this here floor, I just finished up the job today. So whenever you have a brake job, you just want to change your brakes out and it turns into a nightmare. I mean a real nightmare. Just take your time with it and it'll work out for you. Because the way things are going now, it looks like we're going to have to do a lot more work on our cars that we have. Okay. Thank you very much for listening to me rant and rave about my brakes. And we'll be making more videos in the future. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.